Hello lovelies, you're welcome to Cassia Naturals. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make clove powder. So now I'm just showing you what you can make out of clove. You can make hair moisturizers, you can even make oil, different kinds of products which you can use on your face as well as your hair. So clove has been an important part of Ayurveda and traditional medicine to cure various problems. Benefits of clove contains high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to growth and strengthen your hair. It will also protect from a scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Clove also contains antifungal and inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. So with the presence of vitamin K in clove, it is better blood circulation because it stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieves the itching associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. So friends, like I've done quite a number of videos on how you can use clove, how you can make different products using clove, hairspray, deep conditioner, a lot of them, friends. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't. So you need some clove. So you can actually purchase clove in Indian shops or any spice shop around your area. You will be able to find it, friends. So like I just bought this new batch of clove. So actually I ran out of the first one which I had bought. So this is actually 500 grams and it's actually very affordable. Yes, so I'm just showing you how clove looks like. Yes, comment in the section below, friends, and subscribe to our channel for more. In as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow so that we can reach a bigger audience. So now I'll just continue like doing everything, and then you'll see how we'll make our clove powder. So like I'm just cutting off the plastic so that we be able to put our clove in a glass bowl. So I'm going to use 50 grams of our clove, and then I'm going to use a blender. Yes, but of course, you know what, friends, a grinder works very well, but I don't have a grinder, and I'm planning to, actually, a grinder is on my budget. Yes, I really need that gadget. But of course, even if you don't have a grinder, you can use a blender. So like it really came out very well. So continue watching this video until to the end and subscribe to our channel, friends.